Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, we got a wine colored wig. Is this considered like my red hair phase? Like, is that what that's giving? Because it's like, it's red but it's not. It's burgundy but it's also cinnamon but it's not. Got a little hint of red. We got a lot going on. Like, this color looks very mixed. And yes, this wig came like this, so no worries y'all. It's easy for y'all to get. Y'all just purchase and do y'all thing. This is what we got. So if you want to see how I layered it, which also, let me say this right now too, layering your hair is gonna give you this look. If you think you're not gonna layer your wig and it's gonna come out like this with all this body, do me a favor and log out for me. Do me a favor and log out for me. Never that. It's never gonna get that. So if you want to know how I got this look, how I layered her to give her such good volume while still being a short, sexy hairstyle, and how I did my baby hairs, etc., etc., then keep watching. are y'all feeling about this look? What is this giving? This is giving grown sexy. Of course, the short with the curls. Any short hairstyle with curls, like hand curled curls, always hit. Always give classy, always give grown sexy, like that type of vibe. But it's something about this wine colored wig that just gives it a little bit more like sexy vibes. Like, I don't know. And I didn't want to make it look too uniform because I still want it to look kind of messy, but I don't want it to look too serious at the same time. So it's like, I'm gonna give y'all a lot of boo boo. You already know how that go. And yeah, y'all, let me know how y'all feeling about this look. The baby hairs are laid as usual. I mentioned in my other video that I wanted to start doing like the long side bang kind of baby hair type of situation. Just because like the swoop, I love the swoop, but I like supernatural looking hairstyles, but still like supernatural but still look touched up at the same time. Like not too messy but not too, you know. So I guess it just depends on the look. But y'all, for this look, we had to do some swirlies and get the baby hairs out the way, child. So anyways, like if you like this video, make sure you click that like button, comment down below, and let me know your thoughts. And subscribe if you want to see more videos from moi. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.
Got a bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now.